guys, so today's video is very spur of the moment. I wanted to get on here, tell you guys, just kind of give you guys warning about something. Okay, so let's refer back to my emails, okay? So I got an email back on June 24th from someone from a company called Prime Lister. The email said, I'm reaching out to you in regard to Prime Lister. Prime Lister is a Chrome browser extension to help Poshmark and Mercari sellers with features of reposting, duplicating, auto posting, and so on. There are sellers testing my product right now, blah, blah, blah. Basically, they wanted me to promote this service in my videos, and right away I was like, So I went on their website, and they are indeed a bot. There is no human person that is going through and, you know, doing what they say, relisting, posting, whatever the hell they claim. It's a computer service. It's an automated computer service. So right away I was like, yeah, not happening, because that's against Poshmark's terms of service. And I don't want to risk losing my Poshmark closet, because I know 3 people that have had their Poshmark closets deleted because they were using bots. I know all 3 of them were using bots to share listings. I don't know if they were using bots to like create listings as well. So anytime a company contacts me, like I've had other companies contact me saying, hey, you want to try out this service? And if it's a bot, I'm like, no fucking way. I'm not going to risk losing my Poshmark closet. This is my business. I'm not going to risk it. It's against Poshmark's terms of service. Yeah, there's a chance that they, you know, might not find out, but why would you risk it? If you are serious about your Poshmark closet, why would you risk it? Yeah, it's a great feature because it takes something off your plate. Like, you don't have to do that. It's very, you know, efficient. It's very quick. But again, you're risking your business. And I don't understand why someone would want to do that. I think a lot of people that use these services don't know that it's against Poshmark's terms of service, and that sucks, because what if they were to get their closets deleted and they honestly didn't know? But there are some people that know and flat out do it anyway because, I don't know, because they're lazy, because they don't want to do the work, because they think that they're gonna fall through the cracks. I don't know the reasoning. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, just be aware of this company. I've seen a few YouTubers lately promote them, and I tried reaching out to one of them and telling them, hey, you know, yeah, you might want to look into this. You're risking your closet. That was on Instagram, and they never replied back to me, and I know that they watch my videos. So yeah, that was kind of annoying because I was trying to help that person. But yeah, just stay away from these services. And this guy's pretty, hold on, my son's texting me. This guy's pretty fucking shiesty, because I emailed him back and I said, I mean, I just emailed him back the other day. I said, you know, sorry it's taking me so long to get back to you. I would love to collaborate, but I'm pretty sure your service is against Poshmark terms of service. Bot services are not allowed, you know, blah, blah, blah. And he replied back to me today. He goes, hi Vanessa, I understand you're concerned about the risk of using software to manage your listings on Poshmark. However, Chrome extensions is way different than bots that violates the terms of use, because our software is designed to accelerate the list posting process of sellers in a manner that they are not allowed to spam or post more than predefined limits set by us. Okay, you fucking idiot. Still, it's a computer system doing it. It's not a person that is doing it. You are a bot. Your company service is a bot. Automated computer service, not a person doing it. Like, what part about that don't you understand? Like, okay, yeah, you know, so you've got it set to post slower, you know, instead of quickly, so, you know, they might not catch it, but it's still a fucking bot service. This guy thinks I'm an idiot. And then he's like, I would love to add that hundreds of sellers are using our software, and even one of them did not have any problem with their accounts. Okay, this person, there's like a language barrier. They are from another country. What did it say? What country is he from? I think it was Estonia. So yeah, there's a language barrier. So I had to like read his email a couple of times to decipher it. And then he goes, how about collaborating now? I am just asking to collaborate for something that can help your followers in terms of increasing sales revenue in such hard times. Like, motherfucker, don't use this pandemic as an excuse. It's just pathetic, basically. Man, I feel like this is old school YouTube where I would like rant about companies. If you guys are followers of mine, I used to call out companies all the time, and I used to get a lot of shit for it too. People would be like, Vanessa, you're such a negative person. How many fucking times have people called me a negative person here on YouTube? I'm like, I'm a negative person because I'm telling you that a company is shady and this is what they did. Like, that makes sense. Really, it does. So yeah, I used to do that years ago, and I was one of the first to do that, and people did not like that. And now it's like, give me all the tea, give me all the tea, all these drama channels. It's like, oh, who did what people are doing bad things, you know. And it's just, it's crazy how times change. I make these videos on my channel to help you guys, and I'm making this video to try to help you guys from getting your closets deleted. Like, again, if you are truly serious about your Poshmark business, you would not risk it. Sure, yeah, okay, there's a chance you might not get caught, but why would you risk it? You could rob a fucking bank and not get caught. What? You could kill someone and not get caught. You could do many things and not get caught, but you know, use your head, use some common sense. There are many services out there that are actual people. Like, there are virtual assistants you can hire that are actual people that will list things for you, share your closet for you, and that's not against terms of services. Poshmark says that that's okay. You just can't use a system that is computer automated. You just can't. So again, I'm making this video to help you guys out, to warn you guys from using these types of services. You know, if you want to throw caution to the wind and risk your business, fucking go for it. But don't watch any of my other videos. Please don't take any of my other advice, because it just doesn't make sense. All right, so that's all for this video. Again, it was super impromptu. But I did just want to like warn you guys, because I do know people that have used these services or services like this, and they've gotten their closets deleted. Like, why? Why would you risk that? Like, hard work, it doesn't make sense to me. That's it. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's, I was gonna say Monday. Today's not Monday. Today's friggin' Thursday. Some exciting things are going on over here. I'm actually gonna film a video for my vlog channel after this. So if you wanna know what's going on in my life, what's exciting, what's happening, check out my vlog channel. But yeah, that's it. Again, I just make these videos to help you guys. You know, call me negative all you want, but it doesn't make sense. Like, I'm not negative. I speak the truth. It's not being negative. It's being fucking realistic and truthful. And why am I still defending myself? I don't know. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.